flour, 3 eggs, vanilla extract, and here we melted butter with that chocolate and with milk chocolate.
And we also use this optional homemade orange powder.
Yeah, but it's optional. You also need
Muffin tray,
yeah, and a egg beater,
big spoon.
yeah. So the first step is to put the eggs over the melted chocolate. Yeah, let's put the eggs.
Eggs over the melted chocolate.
And we'll also add the sugar, flour, and the salt. And the vanilla extract, right? You want it?
Yeah.
And now we have to mix it all together.
Now we mix it all together and mush it all together until it is incorporated.
Yeah. Hey, I think we finished.
It's kind of a jelly consistency.
Yeah. It smells delicious.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we have to take the muffin.
Put
and
these in.
yeah, put those in. I think they will be yummy. Can't wait
Yeah,
to
me
taste them.
too. It'll surely be yummy.
Yeah, it smells delicious.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, we can start put them. We'll use this one.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. We put with a spoon in there.
And we have to put more.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, so our lava cake is ready. So let's
Yeah.
taste it. We can try this one.
And we will put it.
It looks delicious.
Yeah. It's like magic.
Let's take it out.
Yeah, it looks delicious.
Let's
Okay.
try it.
We will try the orange powder ones.
Yeah,
I think those are delicious.
it looks amazing.
It looks like a mini cake. Honestly.
Yeah, I think I will make those for my birthday party.
Mmm.
Yeah, it's delicious. But I think I like this more than this one. What do you
I
think?
love these.
Me too. I love this. It's yummy. You have to try this. I can't stop eating. I think I can eat 2 more. So,
Me too.
to watch more videos like this one, don't forget to like,